Okay, you can laugh at me if you already know this Canva trick and say, Alice, oh my gosh. But I didn't know. So this is actually just makes it so much easier to make new product graphics and mockups if you're repeating the same style. So maybe you have some planner or ebook and you want to give peeks inside and you're repeating the same thing over and over again. I was actually working with my daughter and I was getting her to make graphics and I gave her something that looked like this. And I thought, oh man, I better make her a proper mock up. And what I thought that I had to do was use these kind of, I don't even know what they call them. They're like the placeholder images. When you put anything in, it just goes to the place where you specify. But you don't have to do that. What I have on the other screen works well. So it doesn't work as seamlessly as the other version, but you can drag any image over from your uploads. So you just make sure they're uploaded here. You could just go upload files and add them or drag them into here while you have that open. And then you can just add the pages in. Super simple, and it keeps the shadows or styling. It doesn't work the same like where if you go like this, right? You put it in and then you try to put it on top. It won't do that like it did the other one, but it still works just as fast. You'll be able to zoom through your mockups and have real great product graphics that actually represent what you're offering for sale. Hope that trick was helpful for you. If you know any good Canva tricks, let me know. It's always great to learn.